Looking for cheap Amazon tech gadgets that are actually worth buying? Not just affordable, but genuinely useful in everyday life? You're in the right place. Amazon is packed with budget-friendly tech, but let's be honest, most of it isn't worth your time or money. That's why in today's video, we've carefully selected 17 cheap tech gadgets that deliver real value, smart features, and practical benefits without breaking the bank. Whether you're upgrading your setup, organizing your home, improving travel comfort, or just love cool tech finds, this list has something for everyone. All the gadgets mentioned in this video are available on Amazon, and you'll find direct links in the description below. Number 1. Velcase Foldable Drone. The Velcase Foldable Drone is an excellent entry-level drone that delivers impressive features at a budget-friendly price. Designed for beginners and kids, it offers easy controls and stable flight performance. The built-in 1080p HD camera allows you to capture clear aerial photos and videos in real time, making it perfect for casual photography and social media clips. Features like voice control, gesture photos, and 360-degree flips add fun and creativity to every flight. Its foldable design makes it compact and easy to carry, while the included 2 batteries provide up to 26 minutes of flight time. This drone is ideal for anyone curious about aerial filming without investing in expensive equipment. Number 2. Sekai Foldable Keyboard. This pocket-sized foldable keyboard is perfect for people who work or travel on the go. It connects easily via Bluetooth to smartphones, tablets, and laptops, making typing faster and more comfortable than touchscreen keyboards. When folded, it fits easily into a pocket or bag. It also includes a built-in stand for phones and tablets, allowing you to set up a mini workstation anywhere. Gamers can even use it for mobile gaming, gaining better control and faster responses. It's lightweight, practical, and incredibly versatile. Number 3. Dock Safe Chair Plus Storage. The Dock Safe Chair Plus Storage is a smart combination of seating and security. This fireproof and waterproof ottoman hides a secure storage compartment underneath, perfect for storing documents, valuables, or electronics. Built with silicone-coated fiberglass, it can withstand extreme heat up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The durable PVC leather seat supports up to 700 pounds, so it's both functional and strong. A combination lock adds an extra layer of protection, while sturdy handles make it easy to move around. Number 4. Car Steering Wheel. Desk. If you spend a lot of time in your car, this steering wheel desk can be a game changer. It instantly transforms your vehicle into a mobile office or dining space. One side features a cup holder and meal tray, while the other provides a flat surface for laptops or writing. Made from durable ABS material, it attaches securely to most steering wheels and offers a stable working surface. Lightweight and compact, it stores easily under your seat when not in use. Number 5. Ivation Electric Cooler. The Ivation Electric Cooler is a portable cooling and warming solution ideal for road trips, camping, or outdoor events. It keeps drinks cold or food warm with the flip of a switch. Its spacious interior fits bottles, food trays, and even medications. Designed with a collapsible handle and dual power adapters, it works both at home and in your car. Reliable temperature control makes it perfect for travel and daily use. Number 6. Ki-Style Car Mount. This magnetic car mount keeps your phone securely in place while driving. It's compatible with MagSafe iPhones and Android devices using the included metal rings. The powerful magnets hold your phone firmly even on bumpy roads. With strong VHB adhesive, it sticks securely to your dashboard without blocking your view. Its compact design keeps your setup clean and distraction-free. Number 7. Lundern Waterproof Tent. Camping becomes effortless with this instant pop-up waterproof tent. Thanks to pre-assembled poles, it sets up in seconds with no tools required. It comfortably fits 3 to 4 people and features mesh doors for ventilation and nylon covers for privacy. A front vestibule provides space for shoes and gear. Waterproof, tear-resistant, and easy to store, it's perfect for camping, festivals, or backyard use. Number 8. Portable Shower. This portable shower is a must-have for outdoor adventures. With a 5-gallon capacity, it provides enough water for quick rinses after hiking, beach trips, or cleaning pets. The foot pump design means no electricity is required. Simply step to build pressure and control water flow easily. Lightweight and durable, it's ideal for camping and off-grid travel. Number 9. Feppo Food Warming Mat. Keep meals warm with this flexible food warming mat. Using advanced graphene heating technology, it heats up in just 10 seconds and distributes heat evenly. With 6 temperature settings and a built-in timer, it's great for family dinners, buffets, or defrosting food. Its silicone material allows it to roll up easily for storage, saving space when not in use. Number 10. Underbed storage. If you're running out of storage space at home, these underbed storage bins are a simple but powerful solution. Designed with durable fabric and a reinforced metal frame, each bin can hold up to 66 pounds without collapsing or losing shape. The large 49-liter capacity makes them ideal for storing clothes, shoes, blankets, seasonal items, or even kids' toys. A clear viewing window lets you instantly see what's inside without opening it, saving time and effort. The smooth 360-degree rotating wheels allow you to slide the bins in and out effortlessly, even on carpet. 2 locking wheels keep them securely in place once positioned. Adjustable dividers help keep everything neatly organized, making these bins perfect for maximizing unused space. Number 11. Wheeled Sensor Nightlight. This motion sensor nightlight is one of those small gadgets that instantly improves daily life. It automatically turns on when motion is detected in dark areas, making it ideal for hallways, staircases, bathrooms, and bedrooms. The built-in 500 mAh rechargeable battery offers up to 16 hours of continuous use or up to 2 months in motion sensor mode. The warm 2700 Kelvin light is gentle on the eyes, providing visibility without harsh glare or disruption. Installation is completely hassle-free thanks to its magnetic design. No drilling or screws required. You can attach it to any metal surface or use the included adhesive for walls. It's practical, energy efficient, and perfect for nighttime safety. Number 12. Delta Glass Rinser. Washing cups and bottles just got a lot easier with this Delta glass rinser. Designed to install directly next to your sink faucet, it uses powerful water jets to clean the inside of cups, mugs, baby bottles, and even wine glasses in seconds. Simply press the glass upside down and let the jets do the work. No scrubbing required. The clever overhang design directs all water straight into the sink, keeping your countertop dry. Its spot-resistant finish prevents fingerprints and watermarks, so it always looks clean. Compatible with hot or cold water, this rinser is a huge time saver and a fantastic upgrade for any kitchen. Number 13. Electrolux Portable Steamer. This handheld Electrolux steamer is perfect for anyone who wants wrinkle-free clothes without setting up a bulky ironing board. It heats up in just 30 seconds, allowing you to quickly steam clothes, curtains, bedding, or upholstery. Designed to work on all fabric types, it delivers up to 18 minutes of continuous steam. The 2-in-1 fabric and lint brush removes wrinkles while refreshing fabrics at the same time. Its pump steam technology prevents leaks and spills, even when used vertically or horizontally. With a long 12-foot cord, you get plenty of reach, making it ideal for home use or quick touch-ups before heading out. Number 14. Geeky Keychain Multi-Tool. And the Geeky Keychain Multi-Tool proves that great things really do come in small packages. Despite its compact size, it packs over 16 practical tools, including screwdrivers, a bottle opener, wrench, box cutter, wire stripper, and even a protractor. Made from durable 420 stainless steel, it's built to handle daily wear and tear. Its TSA-approved design makes it travel-friendly, and the slim profile allows it to fit easily on your keychain or in your pocket. Whether you're fixing something at home, tightening glasses, or opening packages, this multi-tool is always ready when you need it. Number 15. Montvu Bath Mat. The Montvu Bath Mat offers a smart blend of comfort, safety, and convenience. Its sponge-based interior provides soft cushioning underfoot, while the non-slip rubber backing keeps it firmly in place. What really stands out is its instant water absorption. Water disappears almost immediately, leaving no puddles or stains behind. The quick-drying surface ensures it's always ready for the next use. It's stain-resistant, easy to clean with a simple wipe, and durable enough for homes with pets. The slim profile allows it to fit easily under doors, and it's available in multiple sizes to suit different bathrooms. Number 16. Life Portable Handheld Fan. This Life handheld fan delivers impressive power in a compact design. Equipped with a brushless motor and a 5,000 mAh battery, it produces strong airflow up to 9 meters per second. With adjustable wind speeds ranging from low to high, you can customize your cooling experience. The digital display shows both battery life and speed level, giving you full control at a glance. Or it charges quickly in just 1.5 to 2 hours and lasts up to 15 hours depending on usage. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or dealing with summer heat, this fan is a reliable companion. Number 17. Electric Herb Grinder. Rounding out the list is this innovative electric herb grinder that combines manual grinding with automatic dispensing. Instead of twisting and opening the grinder, simply press a button and let the vibration motor evenly dispense your herbs. The ultra-sharp grinding teeth ensure smooth, fluffy results every time. Its magnetic flip spout prevents spills, while the LED-lit viewing window lets you easily monitor your supply. Rechargeable and portable, this grinder is designed for convenience, consistency, and mess-free operation. Thank you for watching. That wraps up our list of 17 cheap Amazon tech gadgets that are actually worth buying. Whether you're upgrading your home, improving travel comfort, or just love smart and affordable tech, these gadgets prove you don't need to spend a fortune to get great value. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more budget tech finds and smart gadget reviews. Don't forget, all product links are in the description below so you can check prices and availability anytime. Let us know in the comments which gadget was your favorite, or if there's something you already own and love. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.